Hello guys, welcome once again to the channel. The channel still remains Sunset Drone GH. Today we are coming to you from the Tano North Municipal District. That's the capital of the district, Duayaw Nkwanta. Duayaw Nkwanta is in the Ahafo Region of Ghana. It is located close to Sunyani. On your way from Sunyani to Bechem, you pass to Duayaw Nkwanta before you get to Bechem. Some of the infrastructure that Duayaw Nkwanta is having is well structured. Duayaw Nkwanta has a settlement or population of 27,476 people. The town can boast of good schools such as Boachi Tromo Senior High Technical School, the Sewa Kesi Girls Senior High School, then the Presbyterian Midwifery Training College. They have a hospital, Duayaw Nkwanta Health, St. John of God Hospital, which is known and is excellent for orthopedic treatment in Ghana. A lot of people bring their orthopedic issues here for treatment. In terms of economy, Duayaw Nkwanta is well noted for agriculture, which is their mainstay, and the workforce in Duayaw Nkwanta, some are in arts, education, and entertainment. The youth in the town are much into entertainment, and it's a good place for business and marketing, nice patronage and good population. This video will let you know a lot of places in Duayaw Nkwanta, as you can see in the descriptions, and we are going to show you places like the municipal assembly, the hospital, the prisons, and a lot of places which you can find in Duayaw Nkwanta. Please watch this video, like it, comment, and share it for others to watch it. If you happen to visit Duayaw Nkwanta for the first time, anytime soon, this video will help you to be able to find your way throughout town easily. This is a dashboard come right through Duayaw Nkwanta. Please watch and like it. This is a ride from Koforidua in the Ahafo Region through Duayaw Nkwanta. This ride is aimed at helping you to know your way throughout town if you happen to visit this place.